All right, what we have here today is a 2018 Jeep Compass. Battery's been replaced twice and it still goes dead. You can see that I've got my ammeter installed and we're looking at a 10 milliamp draw, which is more than acceptable. But I've also got the front auxiliary battery disconnected. I'm going to hook it back up and let's see if it pops up. And with the front battery hooked up, we have almost a 1 amp draw, 0.87 or 870 milliamps. Take it back loose. Took it back loose. And we're back down to 20 or 30 milliamps, which is more acceptable, more than acceptable. So we have to go get you an auxiliary battery for this thing.